Okay, that's me playing the intro to Stray Cat Strut on that orange Gretsch over there. I'm gonna try to show you how to play it on an acoustic guitar in like under a minute. So I'm gonna quit yapping and let's do it. It's in C minor, but the first two notes are on the 7th fret of the B and E strings. And you slide it up to that 8th fret. And if you got a Bigsby, shake it. If you got an acoustic, I don't know what you're gonna do. Don't bend the neck, it'll break the neck probably. Then you go to the G string on the 10th fret. Give it a good bend back to the 10th, to the 8th, back to the 10th, and back to the 8th. So, like that. Then you go. So you're on the 10th of the A string, 9th of the D, 8th of the G and the B strings. Then you go 11th of the D to the 10th of the G, and then you go down to the 7th of the D and 8th of the G. So pause that, rewind, put it in slow-mo, but it goes like this. And then you end up on the C minor, and it walks it down from there. C minor, B flat major, A flat major to G major, and you really want to do a lot of 7ths. All right, that's the fastest lesson ever on an acoustic for this song. Let me know what you think and give me some more ideas for really fast riffs like this. Catch you around. See ya.